How was your day?
It's going awesome.
We are meeting for the first time, correct?
Yeah, right.
Right. What do you do, Puja?
Currently, I'm doing a part-time job as a backend executive in an organization.
You're looking a part-time job. In what's your job role?
No, I am
Uh,
doing the job, part-time job actually.
Part-time
Backend
job
executive. Yeah, as a backend executive.
as a backend executive. All right. So
Yeah,
you don't have client interaction, I believe, correct?
client. No, I have.
You have client interaction?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
great. So do you have an opportunity to speak in English at workplace?
No, not.
No? Oh,
No.
all right. Okay. I can see this is your eighth session. All right.
Yeah,
Do
right.
you have any queries regarding the platform?
No.
You are comfortable with the platform.
Yes, yes, yes.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ammu Alice and I hail from Kerala. Right.
Okay.
We'll go through the session notes. It's a very interesting topic. It is about celebrities.
Yeah.
Right. Are you comfortable with the topic?
Yes.
Right. Who's your favorite? Who's a celebrity according to you?
Celebrity, if I say that, what's the inspiration I will get? Okay.
Hmm.
So, in my perspective, I think inspiration means my favorite celebrities. If I say, first is Dhoni, MS Dhoni, because if you see that their team management, team leading is best. Okay, so I like that. I liked him that perspective, that role. Second is Akshay Kumar. If you see that he is always waking up in the early morning at 4 a.m. So it's inspired me a lot that we have to also, because I heard his energy level is also high. So this is very good. So I thought.
So are you actually waking up early in the morning like Akshay Kumar?
Actually, I tried a lot. I
Oh,
wake up earlier. I wake up like 2 to 3 months. I wake up early, but not in continuous part.
you were not able to maintain consistency.
No,
Oh, all right. Okay. But why do you want to wake up early? People want to wake up early so that they can do majority of their tasks, relax, and
mm,
they'll get their lot of me time and space. Why do you
yeah.
want to wake up early?
I want to wake up because I am already doing a job. Okay, and I need some time for myself, and also learn new aspects, new things. I want to learn. So
Hmm.
if you wake up in the early morning, then we get a like the surrounded is very peaceful. So that's why it's very comfortable to me, and that time my mind was very peace, and I learn. I'm gradually adapt anything quickly. So that's why I want to do.
Right. Now, when I was checking your profile, I could see that you have updated in the profile as profession manifestation coach.
Okay,
Right.
yeah.
Would you like to throw some insight into that? You said your profession is
Okay.
manifestation coach. Do you take some coaching classes as well?
Actually, earlier, yeah, I had done earlier coaching. Actually, I had done NLP practitioner, neuro linguistic program.
Right.
So from that, I had also teach to students and help to students relating to emotional and emotional aspect actually. And
Hmm.
they also don't wake up early in the morning. So I had also done that, and I was pushing to my students also. So that's way it's coming to coaching business. But currently I'm not doing that, but I will do, because right now I want to do a public speaker. So
Right.
I am into that zone, and I am learning. I want to learn English fluently so that I speak quickly to the public. So that's why I like if I say about the celebrities, I say that Shahrukh Khan means his speech was very tremendous. Means whenever he came to the stage, and when he spoke in on the stage, it's like brilliant. and its speaking power, its learning ability. I loved it. I liked it very much. And
Right.
also his character, his acting also very good.
Right. We can see Shahrukh is a very versatile person.
Yeah.
Versatile. Right. Whatever he
Yes.
takes up in his life, whatever he has taken up in his life, he has done brilliantly. Whether it is
Yeah. Right.
speaking, dancing, isn't it?
Hmm.
Acting. Right. Everything.
All
Right.
thing is good.
Right. Everything is great about him. Right.
Yes.
You said you want to be a public speaker. In which domain would you like to be a public speaker? What do you want to talk about?
Uh, I talk about women empowerment. Basically, I am into that zone because in my family condition and in my family situation, I had seen a lots of women suffering for that. They want to do anything they want to do in her life, but some kind of family pressure or some kind of not having a so much skills, so
Hmm.
that's why they can't do and they don't get a freedom. Now if I say another aspect, another society aspect, then many women is free and many women is financially independent, but
Hmm.
some women is not. So I want to push them, I want to push them that yeah, you can also do that. You have a freedom, but you have to take the right skills, right knowledge and right guidance, then you definitely get it. But if you have a correct mindset, right mindset, then you will definitely achieve on that. So that's why I'm doing it.
Right. You are from Kolkata, correct?
Yeah, right.
Right. I got based on my experience, I've found that Kolkata women are very bold, and I always feel that they are by naturally they are empowered. Maybe because they are born and brought up in that city. I always feel that. I don't know why, but that is my experience. I've never seen very submissive and
Yes,
women
yes.
with no opinion from Kolkata. All of them that I've interacted were very opinionated, even though they were not financially independent, they were mentally very much independent. They had
Hmm.
a clear thought process. So it is
Yes,
good that
yes.
you want to be a public speaker in that
Right,
domain and
right.
also help them in being empowered. Right. All
Hmm.
right. Are you happy with your backend
Yes,
job?
right.
You said backend executive. Are you happy with that profession?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, currently because I have to do that because currently I am living in Delhi. I had brought up in Kolkata, but currently I am living in Delhi for the purpose of job related, and also I want to enhance my skills and some kind of a space of myself. And yeah, I am happy because I am learning on that very much. Means I am learning selling skills also. I like backend with lots of work, team management and also leads management. Means I am learning a lot, so that's it.
Oh, right. Are you staying alone, living alone in Delhi, or are you staying in a PG?
Yeah, yeah. No, I am living alone in Delhi in
You're
a
living
room.
alone
Actually, it's an apartment. Yeah.
in an apartment. Do you feel very safe and secure in that city?
First time when I came here, then I was totally nervous because I heard lots of bad news about Delhi.
Yes.
So when I came, it's almost 1.5 years I had been to here. So it's almost 1.5 years, and now I'm so much so and now I am very much comfortable.
Right. And you feel a sense of safety there. Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Yes. Right.
Your video is stuck and there is some time lag also, isn't it? Now I think it's fine. Now I can see that you're moving.
Uh. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you hear me clearly? Let me just check if I'm having some network issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. All right. Not a problem. Oh, right. Your network is fluctuating. All right. Shall I show you some corrections? Some sentences which
Okay.
needs to be corrected? Shall we go through that?
Yeah. Sure.
Right. Can you
Yeah.
click on the chat box?
Yes.
Is it visible?
Oh, just a
Click on the
second.
three dots on your mobile. Inside that,
Yeah,
there is a
yeah.
chat option.
Yes.
Hmm.
'It
First one. It
inspired me a lot.
inspired. It inspired me a lot. So it inspired me a lot. You're talking about the past. If you're talking
Okay.
about the present, you'll say it inspires me a lot. Inspires. If
Okay.
it's past, you put the past form,
Okay.
inspired. Then, earlier I wake up
Okay.
early. So earlier I woke up early. Earlier I used to, if you want to say, if you can also say earlier I used to wake up.
Oh,
Meaning, in the past
earlier
you
I
used to wake up,
used to
but now
wake
you're
up.
not doing it. Then, we
Okay.
get a surrounded is very peaceful. We get a surrounded is very peaceful. No,
Mm.
that sentence does not have any meaning. Would you like to rephrase it? Uh,
Okay.
so you were talking about
Uh,
waking up early in the morning, the benefits.
hmm, yes, it's
You can
a
say, uh,
peaceful. It's a peaceful morning.
you can say it is very peaceful.
No,
It's very peaceful to get
it's a
up in the
very
morning.
peaceful. Okay.
Let me type it.
Okay.
It is very peaceful to get up in the morning. Then, I had
Okay. It is
also
very
teach to
peaceful to get up
students.
in
What is the past tense of teach?
start.
Correct, correct. So when you're talking about NLP and that you used to teach, you have to say, I had taught students in the past. Taught. Right.
Yes,
Next one.
I have taught.
I was pushing to my students. Not pushing, you were actually guiding them to wake up early, isn't it? I was, I was insisting my students
Yeah, that to my students.
instead to wake up early. Let me type it. I was insisting my students to wake up early, but I was also not waking up early. So I decided to later quit teaching them.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right. Next one. I want to do a public speaker. No, it is not doing. I want to be. I want to be. I want to be a public
Yes,
speaker.
I
That is the
want to be
sentence. I want to be. Right. The speech was very
okay.
tremendous. The speech was very tremendous. You can say his speech was mesmerizing. The speech. No, okay, not
Okay.
was. Yes, my point was this tense. Yes, I remembered. You were talking about Shahrukh Khan, but
Okay.
you are talking about was. You are talking
Yeah,
about
right.
something present, isn't it? The speech is. He is still a
Yes.
great speaker. So the speech is mesmerizing. Mesmerizing is the term.
Mesmerizing.
Uh, Tremendous will not be suitable over here. Tremendous meaning what?
Okay. Okay.
She put in a tremendous effort of work. Tremendous meaning a lot of, a very huge amount. Here you're talking about you being excited, mesmerized. When somebody is speaking, you're like, wow, that feeling. So you can use mesmerizing.
Okay. Wow moment.
Wow feeling. Right. I think then you will also like Priyanka Chopra, Lara Datta, Sushmita Sen. They are also great speakers, isn't it? Ah, right. All
Yes,
right.
right.
I had brought up in Delhi. So I was born and brought up. It is not I had, I was. I was born and brought up.
I was
Oh, you're talking about I was born and brought up in Kolkata. Okay,
Kolkata
Kolkata,
in Kolkata. Yeah.
and currently residing in Delhi. And currently
And,
residing in
and
Delhi. This is the sentence. Even if you're
okay.
facing an interview, you can say this. When they ask you for self-introduction, you can say, I was born and brought up in Kolkata, but I'm currently residing in Delhi. So in one sentence, you're giving lot of information. Oh, you're on mute. Oh, right. You're having some network fluctuations. Because of that, your voice is dragging. I hope you're able to hear me. You were just smiling. All right. Okay. Bad news. Instead of bad news, a
Um,
better word would. Can you hear me?
yes, yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Instead of bad news, you can also say unpleasant. Unpleasant. And bad news is correct. Nothing wrong in that. I was also suggesting you another word. You can also say it was an unpleasant situation. Rather than saying it was a bad situation, you can say it was a very unpleasant situation. A better choice of word. What are you going to do after the session? Let's try some future sentences. Oh, I think you're getting a call back to back. That is why you're automatically going on mute. Are you comfortable? Is it an urgent call?
No, actually not, ma'am. Actually,
Oh, all right.
yeah.
All right. Yes. Tell me, what are you going to do after the session? Try sentences with will and will be. Future.
Okay. I will go to watch BBC English learning of 6 minutes video to improve my pronunciation and grammar. And okay, okay. And after that, I will be do like one of course relating to trading. So I will be going to learn that and
Correct.
watch that.
Whenever you're using will be, the action should be in the ing form. I will be doing some work. I will be learning some language. I'll be cooking some food. So along with will be, use verb in the ing form. Right. All right.
Okay.
Overall, you are comfortable in speaking. If you can focus on the grammar, you can be a very good public speaker because you're a very pleasant character. You seem very comfortable and you are smiling and interacting. With practice, you will get